Hi, welcome to mSlides School. The topic of this video is how to insert a calendar in PowerPoint. Using PowerPoint presentations is a great way to communicate with coworkers, students, and clients. Presentations often include timelines, project milestones, and other types of data. One way to visualize your data is to include a calendar in your PowerPoint presentation. In this post, we'll explain how to insert a calendar in PowerPoint and customize it. This video has 4 sections. Firstly, I will explain why should you use a calendar in a PowerPoint presentation. Secondly, I will show you how to insert a calendar in PowerPoint. Thirdly, I will show you how to use a calendar in your presentations. At last, I will introduce 3 best websites to download calendars. Section 1. Why should you use a calendar in a PowerPoint presentation? You always need to use a calendar to improve your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you are giving a proposal, a sales pitch, or a lecture, there are 2 main benefits of using a calendar in a presentation. 1. Organize information. Calendars are an effective way to organize information. They can assist your audience to comprehend the sequence of events, deadlines, or milestones. This is especially helpful for project management or planning presentations, because a schedule is necessary for understanding the scope of the project. 2. Visualize information. Calendars are a great tool for visualizing information, which is a powerful tool for presenting ideas. You can use colors, icons, and symbols in your calendars. In this way, you can help your audience in understanding the significance of specific dates, events, or deadlines quickly. For example, you can provide a distinct color for each project stage, or you can use icons to indicate various event categories. Section 2. How to insert a calendar in PowerPoint. It's very easy to insert a calendar in PowerPoint. In this article, we will use the latest version of PowerPoint to show. But the process is almost the same for other versions of PowerPoint. The template used in this post is free for download. I will put the download link in the description. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your presentation in PowerPoint. Click on the File tab. Step 3. Click New and search for Calendar. Step 4. Choose the calendar template you want to use. Step 5. Click the option Create in the new window. After you click the Create button, PowerPoint will create a new PPTX file for you. Now, you can customize this calendar as desired by changing the colors, fonts, and layout. Section 3. Using this calendar in your presentations. In the previous section, I have created a monthly calendar in PowerPoint. After the creation, I can copy the slide in this calendar to my presentation. For example, I want to use the slide for the month of March. Step 1. Open your presentation in PowerPoint and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the calendar. Step 2. Copy the slide you want to use into your presentation. Click on the thumbnail on the left side in the normal view, and then right-click on this thumbnail and click Copy in the pop-up menu. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+C to quickly copy this slide. Step 3. Paste it into your presentation. Step 4. Customize this calendar to meet your needs. Section 4. 3 best websites to download free calendars for PowerPoint. Not everyone wants to create a calendar from scratch, and there are many websites where you can download calendar templates for PowerPoint. So, I have chosen the 3 best websites for you. They are Microsoft Template Site, mSlides, and SlidesGo. 1. Microsoft Template Site. One of the best places to start looking for PowerPoint calendar templates is Microsoft's official website. Here, you can find a range of calendar templates. Additionally, you can find templates with different themes and color schemes. To access these templates, simply go to the Microsoft Office website and search for calendar template. 2. mSlides. mSlides offers a wide selection of PowerPoint templates including calendar templates. They are created by professional designers. All of them are free and customizable. You can browse through the templates and download them directly to your computer. 3. Slidesgo. Slidesgo is another great website that offers a range of free PowerPoint templates. You can find many calendar templates on this website. You can download these calendar templates and use them in your PowerPoint presentations. We always need to insert a calendar in PowerPoint presentations. It's a helpful way to communicate timelines, project milestones, and other important dates. In this post, I have explained how to insert a calendar in PowerPoint, and then I have introduced how to copy a calendar into your presentations. At last, I list 3 popular websites for downloading calendar resources for PowerPoint. Now, begin to create an informative and appealing calendar to enhance your presentation. Thanks for your watching. See you.